Hiking, soccer, swimming, or even playing baseball, the list is endless. Summer is prime time when it comes to getting out and being active, but an unfortunate consequence can be getting injured. Dr. Joanny is the author of Conquering Injury and Stress. She is here this morning with advice on 4 things people can do to help injuries heal faster. Good morning, Dr. Joanny.
Awesome Tuesday. Yeah. Here's the 4-step rapid injury recovery plan for extraordinary results.
Okay, so the first one is food. What you eat, right?
Okay, we have to maintain our energy levels, so that's why whole nutritious foods are very important, and you eat your meals like meals that are cooked for best digestion and absorption.
So you're cooking it for best digestion. That's why you should cook it rather than eating it raw?
Absolutely,
okay.
Yes.
So number 2 is no alcohol. Not a lot of people are going to be happy with that one.
But only until you're healed, okay? So you avoid alcohol because it actually depletes the body of nutrients that you do need it for your healing. So for instance, the calcium intake could be limited to your bones. So if you've got a fracture, you're weakening your bones.
Oh. That's very interesting.
Yes, and so number 3 is putting together a rapid injury first aid kit. Okay?
Which is what you have right here.
That's right.
Okay.
So these are must-have ingredients. So this first ingredient is clear heat ointment. And so by the name, you can tell that it cools down an injury, but it also starts promoting healing right away because it brings up circulation for reducing swelling and pain.
Okay, so if you can just hold that up real quick. So the ointment you put on an injury for, well, like bone injury, like if you broke your bone, fractured your bone, or you have shin splints or something?
Yes, I'll be demonstrating that in a couple of minutes.
All right,
okay?
And what's the next one here?
And this next one is Arnica montana number 30. So it's also very true about this. This will reduce swelling and pain also. And in order to get this into your body fast, you got to put 5 tiny little pills underneath your tongue and allow them to dissolve and absorb completely, okay, into your body. So you do this every 20 minutes in the first hour of sustaining an injury. So it's 3 doses in the first hour and then 1 dose every hour after that.
And then how is that supposed to make you feel once you have those dissolve underneath your tongue?
You will experience less swelling and less pain.
Very interesting. Yes. Okay, and this one, I call it the magic potion.
Yes, this is Jianggu Shui, which actually means set bones water. And this is fabulous for healing broken bones and fractures because it knits bone fast. Okay?
Okay.
And I also use it for difficult to heal hairline fractures.
I see. Now, a couple of the people in the studios are asking about shin splints. You can use that on shin splints too?
As long as there's no swelling and there's no heat, you can use this before and after you run or do anything.
And you just massage it onto the area that's causing you problems. Okay, and what's the very last one?
And the very last one is calendula ointment. This is a very fast-acting ointment on all your cuts, scrapes, and lacerations and bruises. You'll be amazed at the results in less than a week.
Okay, great. So that's the first aid kit that you have here. The 4th is massage. Okay, and you're going to do a demonstration on me.
Yes, so let's pretend that you've got a sprained wrist. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is use clear heat ointment. Okay? And so we're going to rub it in.
Okay. Oh, that feels nice.
And then we're really going to massage.
Oh.
Now the thing is,
if it hurts though, that's not very good.
Well, it's going to hurt, yes.
Right.
But the thing is, you're going to get incredible results.
Okay.
In just a few minutes.
And this is what someone should be doing on me.
Someone should be doing.
It doesn't have to be a doctor. It could be your mother.
Yes.
Okay.
So breathe through the pain.
Breathe through the pain.
Okay. So now let's pretend that your wrist is actually broken.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So again, we're going to use clear heat ointment.
Is that sort of your first recommendation in this first aid kit?
Oh, okay. As long as there's swelling and there's heat, that's the first thing you do. But in this case, we're just going to rub it on very gently.
So you can use it on a broken bone?
Yes.
So then when do you know to use all the others, or are they just options depending on how serious?
Well, first, I want to tell you about the massage.
Okay.
So you only massage above and below the break.
Okay.
Okay? So once all the swelling and all the heat is gone, then you start using
the magic potion.
This Jianggu Shui, yes, the magic potion for knitting your bones. And again, you put it on very gently, you know, this time with a cotton pad.
Right.
Put it on very gently, and again, you only massage below and above the wrist.
After this, though, you should be going to a doctor, I'm assuming.
Well, you've already confirmed that you've got a broken wrist.
Right.
You know,
but this isn't going to, like, you should go get a cast on after. It's just to help
hopefully a soft cast.
Oh, okay.
So you can apply these things on it, or, you know, you can do it above the cast.
Right.
So you do these protocols 3 to 4 times a day for several days in a row until you're healed, and you know you're healed when you don't need any more painkiller or massage. So have an awesome summer that's injury-free right now.
Okay, thank you so much, Joanny, for coming on. For more information on this or other topics, you can check out drjoanny.com. We'll send it over to Stephanie now for the weather.